Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of the TeSys Tera training. I'm your host, Leandro Mada, and in this video what we're going to see is the reset button that we have in front of the TeSys Tera. So let's go to the presentation. Okay, so as you may see now in the picture, we have this reset button here in the front that basically will reset the alarms, will reset the trips. Okay. So you can see that in front we also have this LED that indicates that you have a trip or alarm. So once you get this one, you should be able to reset it. Okay. So now, as you can see, we have different main controller units. Okay. The main controller, we have the logic, and also we have the communication that will allow you to have a remote reset or control and monitor the devices remotely. So now, in all of them, we have the reset button in front, and depending on how long you press that button, then we have different functionalities. I'm going to show you now. So basically, we have four main functionalities. So the first one, the easiest one, going to be the reset trip. Okay, so if you just press the reset trip less than 3 seconds, then it will reset trips. Okay, the second one is a self-test, but it doesn't, you can execute it as long as there is no trips. Okay, and the important thing is the duration of how long you're pressing this, because depending on that, you can probably go to another function. Okay, so when you go into the self-test, you just need to press between 3 and 15 seconds. Now, the other one, the next functionality is the to return to the default values. It's like a similar to factory reset. So when you don't know the Ethernet port configuration, you don't know the configuration at all, then probably you need to perform this. And something very good that I saw is that when you press this and wait until you have the 15 seconds, you should be able to see LED, a blue LED flashing, meaning that, okay, you are on the 15 seconds. Now you can perform this function. Okay. Then after those 15 seconds, when you release it, then you should be able to see that it will come back to the default values. Okay. So that's the third one. Now the fourth one, okay, is to induce a trip. So basically on that one, we just need to press 20 seconds. Okay. So here you can start counting 5 seconds after you see the blue light. Okay, so after more than 20 seconds, then you should be able to introduce a trip into the unit. Okay, so this are basically the four main functionalities that we have on this one. I'm going to do a specific video on each of them so we can show you how this one works. Okay, so this is just an overview of that one. Just probably the main one is going to be the reset trip and the factory reset. Okay, and I use that often, and that one is important because if you don't know what is inside, you want to start from scratch, then factory reset it, wait until you have 15 seconds. That's going to be the flashing LED in blue, and then you should be able to remove it and it will start again. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.